Hello and welcome to the Salesforce Biz. Today we will discuss about objects and mainly standard objects in Salesforce. So first let me explain you what is object in Salesforce. You can think about a database or table like how we store data into database using table. This is exactly the same. Objects allow you to store the information in your Salesforce organization. A single object is like a table where we store the all information as a table records. So object is the overall definition of the type of information that we store in Salesforce. For example, this is the contact object where we store contacts of customers. To understand in a simple view, this is the structure of this contact object and this objects column called as a fields in Salesforce, and the rows of table called as a records. There are two types of object in Salesforce: standard objects, which is created by Salesforce platform automatically; custom objects, which is created by Salesforce admin. Let's quickly log into the org. After login, you will land to this page. This is the only single entry point to access the objects and object settings. In the object manager, you can find many more functionalities to manage your database structure. You can see there are lots of standard objects provided by the Salesforce. First, we will talk about the standard object. Standard objects are the object that is automatically created by Salesforce platform when we create an account in Salesforce. These objects have some standard configuration and settings which are inbuilt as a relational table. Each object has a specific configuration. Let's have a look at one of the most widely used standard object, that is account. Account represents an individual customer account, organization or partner involved with business. As part of standard functionality, Salesforce.com provides account object in Salesforce, which stores all account details related to your business like customers and competitors. This object has field properties like account number, account source, annual revenue, name, etc. We will discuss about custom object in our next video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for the next update. Thanks for watching.